very welcome naman itong
Mm.
move na to. In fairness naman, no, we have to give credit to where it's due, and that is a good move from the speaker. Although, malaki malaki pa ang ating tatahakin eh. There's a from the time na filing of bill, kailan ba maipapasa ito, mapa-fast track ba to, magiging priority bill ba ho ito, at mapipirmahan ba kagad ng Malacanang, no? So yun yung mga katanungan susunod dyan eh. But of course, we cannot deny the fact na that is a good move. Kaya lang, marami ring tanong dito, is this just to pacify the angry Filipinos now regularly going out to the streets to protest the the corruption scandal that is now hounding our country? So ano ba to? Talaga bang desidido sila rito? Kung desidido, mabuti po yun. At talagang ano naman. Pero for now, maganda yung bill kasi can you imagine yung ICI having to face lawsuits just because some personalities are being dragged into the mess, di ba? So
Mm.
napakadaling humingi ng court, what you call that, yung mga intervention, just to delay the process. So kung ang tanong niyo ay ano pong masasabi, maganda po yan. Pero the question is, decidido po ba tayo na ipasa talaga ito or hanggang filing lang?